Wish you could step into a perfectly warm cabin on a freezing winter morning, or a refreshingly cool car on a scorching summer day. With the hondapilot's remote engine start, standard on all trims, you can make that happen in seconds. Here's how it works. Press the lock button to secure the doors. Then press and hold the circular arrow button until the parking lights flash 6 times. That's it. You can even do this from inside your house, up to 100 feet away. Once the engine starts, the climate control system automatically adjusts the cabin temperature to a comfortable 72 degrees. When it's cold outside, the side mirrors, front and rear windshields activate their defrosters to ensure clear visibility, while the heated seats warm up to keep you cozy. If you're driving a Trail Sport Elite or Black Edition trim, the heated steering wheel will also be preheated, adding an extra layer of comfort to your drive. As a bonus, on hot summer days, the Elite and Black Edition trims take comfort up a notch with ventilated seats, keeping you cool and refreshed from the moment you hop in. If you decide you're not going anywhere, just press the unlock button, then hold the circular arrow button again to turn off the engine. Otherwise, if you don't reach your pilot within 10 minutes, it shuts off automatically. But if you do get inside within that time, just press the brake and hit the start button as usual to confirm the key fob is with you and verify yourself as the driver. Until then, the car stays secure, screens remain off, and the transmission won't shift into gear. Need more time? You can restart the engine for another 10 minutes. But after 2 consecutive remote starts without driving, the system disables itself just in case the commands were accidental or a curious kid was playing with the fob. To reset the system, simply start the car from the inside as usual. No matter the season, the hondapilot ensures your ride is comfortable and ready before you even step inside.